Hello guys, this is Basim Mohammed and you're watching English Language and Literature. One of my channel subscriber commented on a video asking me to make some video lectures on PRECIS writing. So here I am starting this lecture series starting from the introductory chapter. I hope that this series of lectures is gonna help you out if you are aspiring or if you're willing to appear in the competitive examinations like CSS, where PRECIS writing is compulsory and acting as a backbone. Well guys, PRECIS writing is an art and is instinctive sometimes, but don't worry, you can learn this art through practice and hard work also. Without any delay, let's jump into definitions of PRECIS writing. Oxford Dictionary defines précis as a short version of a speech or a piece of writing that gives the main points or ideas. A précis is a clear, compact, and logical reproduction of a passage. Compact here means that it should be on the one hand small and on the other hand it should retain or preserve the important ideas of the original passage. According to Webster's dictionary, a précis is a concise summary of essential points, statements, or facts. A précis must be accurate, brief, and clear. First thing that you should know is the purpose of writing a précis. Keep in mind that the writer of the passage is not a novice, but a well-learned and well-equipped with high linguistic tools and techniques. The task of a précis writer is to produce a shorter and easily understandable version of the passage for an average reader, or for those who don't have enough time to go into the details and want to have the main ideas as briefly and clearly as possible. In other words, a précis writer acts as a bridge between the author and the reader. In simple words, your reader doesn't have sufficient time and requisite ability to undertake a detailed reading of the passage, and you are trying to help him out by transforming a scholarly discourse into a simple and concise piece of writing. Okay guys, we discussed definition and the purpose of writing a précis. In the next lecture, we are going to cover general rules of précis writing. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.